Did you know insuring your car takes the same amount of time as cooking instant noodles? Yes, that's absolutely true. Hello and welcome to another episode of Policybazaar.ae's Insurance Insights. Nowadays, the process to renew or buy your car insurance has become a lot faster, easier, and convenient. Car owners do not have to engage in the excessive form filling and documentation. Rather, this has been replaced by a systematically aligned purchase journey and instant motor policy issuance. Despite all this ease, where one can buy or renew motor insurance within a few clicks, there are everyday scams hitting those looking for a car insurance buying process in the UAE. Several private car insurance agents are collecting cash payments or are mis-selling the policies by offering cheaper quotes or otherwise forge the driver's details to sell undeserved financial benefits on motor insurance. So let's get started and learn from Neeraj Gupta, CEO at Policybazaar.ae, about how motor insurance owners can buckle up and ensure that their car insurance isn't a scam. So my first question is, can you please tell our listeners what are the prominent mistakes that they should avoid when buying or renewing their car insurance policy?
The important mistakes one should avoid while buying or renewing the car insurance is, first and foremost, please ensure you declare your car specifics correctly, which is the make, model, the year of registration, the manufacturing year is clearly mentioned correctly. The second is the car value. Do not exaggerate the car value, because if there's a claim, then the actual value is going to be taken into account. The insurance company is not going to go by the car value that you've got. Only they're also going to consider how off this is from the market value perspective, right? The other is, declare that there is no gap in your insurance, because the insurance company will ask you if you had your existing insurance expired, not expired, so do that. The other aspect is, if you had a third party previously, then declare that I had a third party previously, because if you had a third party previously, then there might be more validations and checks like current dated photographs to get the policy. But if you keep these things in mind, I believe you're good to go.
Moving on, which motor insurance riders would you suggest UAE residents must add on to their car insurance?
See, the prominent add-ons that are available for motor insurance, if you see, a lot of things are now included, but the two important ones are rent a car, which basically means that if you have an accident and your car is in the garage for repairs, then how many days does the insurance provide you an alternate car? It could be 5 days, 7 days, 15 days. This is typically a maximum number of days that you can avail in a year. So that could be a deciding factor. The other is Oman cover. See, Oman cover, a lot of people do opt for it, but at the same time, please see if there's a relevance for you. If you've never been to Oman in last couple of years and you don't intend to go again there by driving, then probably you should not opt for it. But today, a lot of insurers might give that as a free add-on. So if there's an insurance which is giving these as free add-on, please do consider those.
Can you share some useful insights about how and when car owners should use no-claim bonus?
No claim is a discount that you can get while renewing your motor insurance policy. The discount is basis that you've not done a claim in the previous year or years. The amount of discount varies on the continuous years that you've not made a discount. So for example, if you're renewing a policy in 2022 and you've not made a claim in 20 and 21, which means you have a 2 years no claim bonus. Similarly, if you've not done in 2019, then you have a 3 years no claim bonus. The discount can go as high as 50%. So ensure while you're renewing your policy, you choose the right option for the no claim bonus.
My last question is, for motor insurance renewal, what are the do's and don'ts that car owners in UAE must be aware of?
The important do's and don'ts while renewing your motor insurance. First and foremost, as you know, the car registration is valid for 12 months and the car insurance policy is valid for 13 months. So we see a lot of consumers delaying the renewal and try and renew at the end or closer to the end of 13 months of the insurance policy, whereas your car registration has already expired at 12 months. So my suggestion would be, Please ensure you renew your car insurance policy with the car registration date, because that will lead to you saving amounts on the fine that you might incur if your car registration has expired. See, 1 month grace that the insurance policy has given is primarily because you might forget to register your car or you're traveling. That is the reason it is given. But please ensure that you renew your car insurance with the car registration within 12 months. Secondly, please declare the right details of your car, which is it a GCC, non-GCC, has your previous policy expired, not expired, is the existing policy is an agency cover or not, is your existing policy a third party and this time you want to buy a comprehensive policy. So the more transparent this information you share, the better your advisor can help you in choosing the right product.
Thank you so much for sharing such useful insights. I'm sure our listeners would be able to take a smooth ride by taking note of these really important pointers.
Thank you so much.